In this lesson, you will learn and practice how to use page up and page down together with shift and other keys to quickly select data and tabs. Let's start together with the first one, and let's press together shift and page up to select one screen up on the same column. So shift and page up. Alright, we select on the same column, so we are in column B, shift and page up. And if we want to select one screen down, we need to press shift and page down. Alright, so how do we select one screen left on the same row? Let's position ourselves with the arrows here on F16, for example, and let's press Alt, Shift, and page up. So we select one screen left on the same row. In order to select one screen right on the same row, Alt, Shift, and page down. Okay, so again, Alt, Shift, page down. And we select one screen to the right. Now remember, we used Control and page down, Control and page up to navigate through various tabs. And if we add Shift, then we will select as well one more worksheet. So for example, Control Shift and page down. We will select together, see the worksheet from the right with the current worksheet. And in order to exit this selection, I need to navigate to a worksheet that is not selected. So of course I can do that with the mouse, but mouse free, I will do that with Control and page up, for example. I'm navigating to worksheet 1 that was not selected, and now that will remove the selection of the two worksheets together. So if we want to select one more worksheet to the left, Control, Shift, and page up. Okay, so this is a very fast way to select multiple worksheets in the same time so that you can perform one single action and that will be reflected in all the worksheets. So that will enable you to save a lot of time. Alright, so before moving to practice, let's see one more shortcut as a bonus, and this is Shift plus Home. And we can use this to select the row from the current cell to column A. So if you press Shift and Home, we select up to column A. And this is regardless if you have data or not. So for example, if I select from here, I'm still selecting including the data and the blanks until column A. So Shift and Home. Alright, so use this to select the row from the current cell to the column A.